Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at a 76 Tiger, and it's got a few parts on it that you normally don't see, including a Cessna part, which reduces the amount of noise coming from your alternator. But we thought they were useful. I haven't seen an original one since I replaced the one on my Tiger. But anyway, there's your original, the noise suppressor. And believe it or not, if you decode this tag, these were made 3 years ago in 2017, so they're still good. But anyway, that's what we just recently saw. We thought you'd enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Not one of the voltage regulators that were ever put on our airplanes back in the 75s or 77s. Painted Cessna blue, that ought to be a dead giveaway. And the voltage regulator, the noise filter, definitely says Cessna on it. So that's what we found. Oh, this video is going to be a little backwards. Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.